Good morning. Good morning, everyone. The doctor's in. I'd set the video for the YouTube. The video was set to private. So might take a second for people to filter in. My apologies. My apologies. My sincerest apologies. Good morning. Shut up. Good morning, everyone. The doctor's in. Where's that coming? Where's that? Set the video. Checking Rumble, checking Twitter. Uh-oh. Well, I screwed Rumble up. Whatever. Yeah, I forgot to put... Rumble, you suck, bro. There's no way to really fix it live. I need to figure out how to do that stupid key thing. A microphone check. Good morning, everyone. The doctor is in. And nobody's here on YouTube. Wah, wah. Yesterday we had audio issues. Today, the audio issues were my own dumb fault. Today, my own dumb fault. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? We got some stuff to talk about: markets, where we're headed, how to attack them, what to do. Something went wrong. I don't know. Maybe I should just start everything over. No, one person's here. All right, I fixed that. The microphone. Feels like a Monday. Ooh, Coinbase is green. MicroStrategy is green. Crypto trying to make a comeback. All right, we're still in the good morning phase. Good morning. The doctor is in. Be sure to hit the like and the prescribe. Feeling a little tired. My throat's been hurting. Maybe I should take a sick day. A mental health day? I definitely need a mental health day, bros. Need like a mental health year. Mental health year. After all the PTSD from all this crypto. Sucks. All right, let's get into the stock market. Ding, 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 a ding, a ding, ding. All right, what do we got here? Al and his beer. Bitcoin Cash up 1,000. Crude oil down 9 cents. E-mini S&P down 3. NASDAQ up 47. Strange turn of events. Silver up 14 cents. Volatility down 9 cents. Bonds down another 15 ticks. Whoosh. I will say I wouldn't expect much today. Maybe even in crypto. The only thing, crypto, maybe another down move. Oh, excuse me. I should have muted all that mukbang. What was Denise? Sorry, Denise. But and then I followed up with a burp. Trying to get another burp out. But we got CPI tomorrow, so everyone's probably in a holding pattern. I don't know why. Like, I don't even know if unless CPI comes in, like, unless the cooked CPI number comes in really bad, like, why would that happen? It's all cooked, right? Every week, it's like, oh, there's one day out of the week, we got to wait on some numbers. And then the market goes up no matter what the numbers are. What do y'all think of this Mangione situation? Is this the guy? Where's the tinfoil hat theories, bros? Let's hear it. Is this a setup? You guys are some chatty mofos this morning. I tell you. All right, S&P looks like it's green now. Nasdaq up 75. IWM, it's been kind of down lately. Risk on indicator. Dollar, see some hearts. I don't know if that's JT or Kurt. Probably JT. If I had to guess, if I had to put my... All right, Coinbase up 5. Not bad. $315 Coinbase is not too bad considering what just happened to crypto. Recently, man, it was $350 last week. Andrew Brown in the house. How you doing, brother? Good morning. MicroStrategy hasn't really at the same Tesla pushing 400. What are the odds? What is JT going to come in saying today? Buy a Tesla. Buy a Model Y. The wife hates the hybrid. McDonald's 300. Microsoft 450. Ooh, look at Microsoft strong like bull. They're voting on Bitcoin this week. Wouldn't really expect that to pass. Amazon shareholders are wanting Amazon to get Bitcoin. Like I said, I don't really know how I feel about corporations setting up Bitcoin. It's probably, I mean, it's uncharted territory. Oh, I should have put quantum computing risk in my title. We'll talk about that today too. Costco pushing 1,000. Did it ever hit it? 997. Reddit doing really well. Pretty short order after. This is pretty impressive on an IPO, to be honest. Usually it goes down for a long time. Actually, yeah, longer than that. That was only like 6 months or so. It doesn't feel like this IPO this year. Palantir out of control. Netflix out of control. Square doing okay, I guess. I mean, it's seen better days. PayPal's seen better days. These two had so much promise. What happened? I'm curious. It's not called Square anymore, right? Square. Block. 59 billion. PayPal market cap. 90 billion. Robinhood market cap 35 billion. That's undervalued. Coinbase market cap 80 billion. That's a good buy. Robinhood, I think. Yep. They do stocks, they do crypto, they do banking for the most part. Like, this is next gen fintech right here. Jimmy earnings today. So there's that. Let me add some news here. I guess Roaring Kitty's been freaking tweeting through thoughts on 2025 market crash because inflation and interest rates. I'm holding dry powder and waiting to buy S&P ETFs in the crash. Yeah, I've said quite a bit. I have concerns that there'll be a major pullback. Just, buy the rumor, sell the news on Trump. The wild card there is Trump, it's kind of a binary event. Like, Trump could just start firing off executive orders that are bullish and hold it off for a bit. The government's really good at manipulating and trying to prevent like market crashes, but like, Trump's he's in his second term. Like, he doesn't, he'll want to push the narrative that, his people continue to get elected in the future. That being said, it'd be better to get it like a downturn early versus later, like towards the election. And then a big thing is going to be deflation. So historically, there's a couple things. Historically, deflation leads to the stock market going down. And then the whole, there's a whole, I'm not an expert on it, but the bond inversion was like one of the worst ever. But and then also, like I said, it's really hard to get a good beat just because so much money was pumped into the system. The 10 years say we got a crash. The 10-year bond. Yeah. Yeah, I just know when it gets inverted, it's always historically ugly. I think recently it's been uninverted. My biggest thing is I just look for value when things are cheap and it's a good stock. I like buying it because in the long term, it doesn't, it's not foolproof, but when things are frothy, they're kind of frothy right now. It doesn't mean they won't get frothier. But yeah, I have concerns that there'll be a pullback. It's kind of due in general. Uh-huh. So it's when the 2-year pays a higher interest than the 10-year. Is that the inversion? Or like the 10-year is higher than the 30-year? Some crap like that. 10-year, 10-year minus the 2-year. Oh my goodness. Kiss my ass, bro. Bond yields and maturity. So it involves 1 year, 2 year, 10-year, 1 month, 1 year, 2 year, 10-year. So the 10-year is paying more than the 2-year. And the 30 years paid more than the 10. I think there was a point where like the 2-year paid more than the 10 or something. Yeah, my dry powder is always just going to be bank. You mean physical, like cash in the mattress or gold? Yeah, you're not going to. I'm a simple dude. I'm a simple bro. It's bank. If I was, do you think I'll ever get to a point where I don't know, like self custody of cash is scary, man. Like if people know, don't like I would if I had a bunch of cash in a like an safe. I sure crap wouldn't announce it on the YouTube or gold for that matter. Self custody in crypto is scary. Self custody is scary. Like if I lived in a certain situation, I don't know. There's pros and cons to everything. Yeah, but diversification of how you hold your dry powder, multiple banks, some in a safe, bury some in the desert, put the GPS coordinates on a lottery card. Anyway, Jimmy, earnings tonight. I think Roaring Kitty tweeted. December 5th. Like, I didn't even understand this. What does this even mean? Someone ELI5 this again? Or not again? Can someone ELI5 this? Time for high volume. Is he a stoner? Like he's got the 420 thing going on. I mean, it's like if the story's been going on for the last 4 years and we're only a minute in, like what does this mean? Guess who's back? This was a spinoff of Apple. Oh, he's trying to say Jimmy's the new Apple. Wait, is this no? What is this in reference to? You control the information age. Yeah, who the hell knows? I think there are dates in the timeline. 19. 19 to 420. I don't know. I mean, that's typically a time, not a date. Ricky posted this in the 420 crash. Nah. Do it for Jim. How's Jimmy doing? $27.49. Earnings are after the bell, I'm assuming. After the bell. All right, let's get into crypto. How are we feeling? We feeling bullish? We feeling bearish? Crypto was taking a major hit over the last day, 24 to 36, about 36 hours. Looked like it was over, and then they hit them again. Looks like we're stabilizing again, but doesn't mean they won't hit them again. Total crypto market cap came down below the 20 and then found support. That's really good, considering this is price discovery for the total crypto market cap. Bitcoin dominance, nice little bounce. A diddly 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 dee. I don't think that was uncommon the last time it crashed. It didn't bounce like that. Yeah, actually it had, in comparison, it dropped about 8%. I think we dropped more than that. And then rebounded 5. That was pretty much just downhill. I think that line is worth crap anymore. But, I mean, that was a pretty quick fall, pretty fast. And it's not that Bitcoin was, it just Bitcoin didn't drop as much as the alts. But 11%, yeah, that's not too much different. And 5%, not too much different than the last time. It just looks a lot different. It looks really steep. But Bitcoin dominance went back up because the alts dumped more than Bitcoin. You were to pick up one thing that's not doing really well and is annoying is this C pool. And ShardyB won't shut up, but oh, I really know how to pick them. Yeah, you shield. I'm not saying this isn't a great project, but you have 250,000 prescribers on Twitter, Sista. You constantly tweet, and they're degens. All right, Bitcoin's currently at 97.7. Finding support on the 20, which is good. Losing the 20 could be bad. Next stop would be like 85. Oh, there's no way it'll go to 85. Okay. Ethereum, same thing, came down to the 20. Wick down to the 20. Not volume to the 20, like Bitcoin with volume. XRP bros are probably panicking. Ondo. It's looking pretty good, actually. All things considered. Celestia took it hard. This thing was pushing $9. You're not putting dry powder into crypto, just extras from end of month money. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. There's still, like, it just depends. There's still good, buying alts, buying some good alts. You want to take some flyers on some risky stuff, and you know it's like, okay, it's like a 30-40% chance I'm going to hit it on this one. What a 60 or 70% chance it's going to go to zero. Just a little fun money. There's plenty of good value alts out there like Cardano, ICP probably, AVAX, Link. Like you could throw money at those. Like Link, I think is really good. I don't know how many times I got to say that. But Link is, you know, you could throw, that's not financial advice, in my opinion, a very solid, like you just want to chip at it. The thing about investing in crypto now, the reason investing in stocks is so great, because you don't, most people or anyone with any common sense don't buy a stock thinking, oh, I'm just going to flip this into a 10x in the next 6 months, right? You buy it, you accumulate it, and you just watch it, you know, you just watch it go up. And then 12 months in, your long-term capital gains, hopefully it works out. Now, I'm not saying it can happen like Tesla. You can get a 3 to 5x. Like if you hit that in 2020, I know because I did. Neo, same thing, like 5x plus. And I didn't get long-term capital gains. I took the money and run. Come on, take the money and run. But with stocks, it's a lot easier to get into it with a long-term mindset. Crypto, it's not, because most people aren't buying in the bear market because they think it's the end of the world. It's never coming back. Bitcoin's going to be a really good opportunity, most likely, in about 36 months, 24 to 36 months. I'll be accumulating that for the long term and just waiting. I'll be doing a lot of options, most likely. Link is a blue chip. Like Link, you can't go wrong. Well, you can go wrong, and maybe they get hacked, right? It's an oracle. That's the biggest risk. But this is the most used, bar none, oracle across chains. It's blue chip. It's been around a long time. I have to assume they're profitable. They're a good 2x away from all-time highs, and they'll probably go higher, right? So it's a safe 2x plus, dude. If I knew, I almost do know. Like I almost do know that I can take all my crypto, sell it, put in the Link, and 2x it. Plus. But I don't want to do that because I have to pay taxes, bro. So then it's 2x on what I have minus 30%. So I'm just going to continue to hold what I have that I think will still 2x, 3x plus some of it. My Cardano, I'm hoping for a 3x, 4x, 5x. My Ethereum a 2x. My Ondo a 5x. My Stacks a freaking 5x. And if that all works out, I'll be sitting pretty good. And then I've set myself up to adjust my strategies going forward. Like, I don't know how much I'm going to YOLO into Bitcoin in the bear market. Like, I'm not selling the Bitcoin I have, but I would like to get to like maybe 5 whole coins in the bear market. That would be pretty dope. 5 to 10. And then, plus a bunch of cash, not be fully YOLO'd. And then let Bitcoin do its thing. Just sit back, relax. Watch Bitcoin go up. Say I have 5 Bitcoins and Bitcoin goes to 200,000 in 2028. Sell a couple Bitcoins and put them into alts. Still have 3 Bitcoins. Put 400,000 into alts. I'm just, speculating, theorizing. And then have plenty of dry powder on the side. And by dry powder, meaning I don't really plan on investing that into crypto. Maybe I put some of it into stocks. Maybe I put some of it into bonds. Maybe I put some of it into a savings account on Robinhood earning 5%. 250K Bitcoin, maybe 10 years. No, I said 2. Oh, did I say 250? Yeah. I don't know, dude. Depends on how all this, like Bitcoin could push 150 this bull run. It just depends on how all this Bitcoin reserve stuff plays out. It'd be a big thing. And microphone. What's my title? Is there anything in the title? I still need Cardano drama. Let's talk about Cardano drama. Major Cardano drama. Drama, go tell your mammy. Mama. Man, where's everyone in the chat today? No Kurt? No Ricky? No Jason? No JT? Just me and Andrew. All right, Cardano is a lot of drama around the voting, the catalyst voting. Every time there's catalyst voting, there's major drama. We'll talk about quantum computing and Bitcoin too. Big Pay's been going nuts. So Big Pay. Cardano Foundation has $6 million aided to support the community. For 7 years, they kept this money to themselves and paid salaries to suits. Instead of using this money to support the community, they use this money to demolish democratic system. The great projects could have been fun. Like, he's going crazy, bro. Like, is it warranted? Ricky in the house. Oh, don't you hear a dick. So he just interviewed Charles Hoskinson in Argentina at the Cardano Summit or whatever. Anyway, he's trying to get funded in Catalyst. And apparently Emergo is like using all their voting power, and whoever they vote on is who's getting the money. So he's really upset about that. And it's worth, taking a look at. It's definitely, not as decentralized, it's a centralized on a decentralized ethos. It's definitely some concern, but he is like, I'd like to hear Charles Hoskinson's view on this. You don't know, Emergo is the financial branch of Cardano that has let us down with a stable coin. They've let us down with Circle. Stranger in the house. That is Charles Money, maybe. Oh, don't you double charge me. I don't think that's Charles. Charles already got paid, bro. I think he gave himself like... How many tokens did Charles get? %, 8 at one point. I mean, that would be a couple billion. There's no exact data. 6%. Yeah, I mean, that would be a couple billion. I mean, he founded the chain, so you can't complain that he made a bunch of money off of it. He does a good job of leading on that. He's supposed to be poor. He says it's not about the money, but come on, bro. Here we go, Tesla. Oh, crap. Yeah, some Big Pay sounding the alarm. Bitcoin 97.8. INOQ quantum computing is a stock. Oh, yeah, you mentioned that before. Did it go up on this Willow News? Sure as shit did. Well, it's been going up. It didn't necessarily go up on the Willow News. It's gone down. So let's talk about quantum computing and Bitcoin. What are your thoughts on the Cardano drama? If it ain't one thing, it's another. Cardano Foundation getting hacked one day, the next day, Emergo is manipulating Catalyst funds. What a democracy. Like, did they expect... Did people really expect anything different with a democratic system? That you didn't expect corruption? Are you new to blockchain? There's always centralized entities corrupting the system. I've seen it. It's no different in Ethereum. It's no different in Solana. Big money in Solana have the validators. They control more than you know. Over on Harmony One, I tried to validate on Harmony One. Can't do it. All the big validators would only they would get the proposals passed that benefited them and squeezed out the small guy. That's same thing happens or is happening in Cardano when it comes to that stuff. Plus, voting power manipulation. When you got one of the financial arms having like 90% of the voting power, whatever ridiculousness it is, like, what do you really think is going to happen? You really think you could have a governance system that's perfect or even close to perfect? No. Everyone would do it. Capitalism, greed is going to corrupt everything. Every type of whatever you think you can come up with. Capitalism and greed and the majority that benefits them are going to vote in things that continue to benefit them and make them the most money and give them the most power. You can't change that. It's human nature. Or you're not going to be able to change that very easily until we get to, until we can get to like some kind of Star Trek lifestyle where no one cares about financial gain. It's just about the improvement of the human race. But we'll never be able to do that because the race part, right? Everyone wants to take care of their tribe. Anyway, don't get me started. The human race is doomed. I'm still buying Cardano, still holding. Hell yeah. You stake it? Like in Wally? Now, in Wally's, you just get really fat and sit in a chair. I don't know, are they in like virtual reality? I don't remember. I seen that movie once, like 15 years ago. All right, Bitcoin, quantum computing. A lot of people are chirping. All the Bitcoin haters are like, oh, Bitcoin's screwed. Bitcoin can be hacked now. Apparently, Willow can hack Bitcoin. I got news for you, Bitcoin haters. If Bitcoin can get hacked, your bank account can get hacked. I said that to someone. And he's like, I don't know anything about it. We're just having a poke at the bit. Yeah, this guy. If it can crack Bitcoin, your bank account is thus too. Fully insured by the Irish government. Who's insuring your Bitcoin? Oh yeah, nobody. I got news for you, bro. If quantum computing can hack encryption, all bank accounts are screwed. And the Irish government or any government it's chaos, bro. This is the new world order. Bank account. Oh, are you trying to be cute? Ricky in the house. I already said that. Are you trying to be cute? Bank account. But that bank account ain't insured when it's all gone. What is the Irish government just going to replace the money? Are they going to deliver it in cash to your front door? Because you can't put it back in the bank. It's just a never ending, like the chaos would be out of control. And he's like, I don't know anything about it. We're just having a poke at the Bitcoin gang. Yeah. Shut the F up, bro. Big fat case of shut the F up. Introducing Willow. So Willow got introduced. Some new chip. Our new state-of-the-art quantum computing chip with a breakthrough that can reduce errors exponentially as we scale up using more qubits. Cracking a 30-year challenge in the field. In benchmark tests, Willow solved a standard computation in less than 5 minutes that would take a leading supercomputer over 10 septillion years or something, like some ridiculous amount of time. We're just going to go to war to who steals it. Anyway, anyhow, ugh, bro. Anywho, I mean, Twitter must be cleaning up all these hot chicks that have been following me, which I'm very upset about. I've lost at least 100 fine babes that were following me. Google Willow quantum computing versus Bitcoin encryption. Today, Google announced Willow has reached 105 qubits with improved error rate. Should Bitcoiners worry? Short answer, no. Bitcoin relies on two encryptions. I didn't even know this. ECDSA 256, vulnerable to short algorithms, but cracking it would require over 1 million qubits. Willow's 105 isn't even close. SHA 256 is even tougher. I think SHA 256 is what like banks use. Requires a different approach, Grover's algorithm, and millions of physical qubits. Millions of physical qubits to pose a real threat. Bitcoin's cryptography remains SAFU for now. Seriously all effed up? What is SAFU? Safe funds? Remain seriously all effed up. That's snafu. Situation now, all effed up. Safes are no funds. What the? I never remember this one. Stands for Secure Asset Fund for users. Secure Asset Fund for users. Okay, it's fixed. There was an issue again? Are you kidding me? A microphone? How long was it out? How long was it out for? God dang it, dude. Maybe it was just you. Maybe your internet was bad. Anyone else out there? Ricky? All right, I guess we're at ramble time. Your Bitcoin funds are SAFU. It was when you touched the mic itself, said something about chicks. Oh, all the chicks on Twitter left me. I'm curious if we're going to continue to have a microphone problem. The microphone, I don't see an issue. Like, The volume thing's going no problem. Crackly ass. Jason in the house. A microphone check, microphone. It looks fine to me, bro. It might have been your internet connection out there in West Texas. Don't. Bro, fuck you. No, you made me say the F word. Don't tell me what to do. I'm not gonna touch it, bro. Like, that's never gonna change. I'm always gonna be adjusting the mic. But it looks fine. I'm not seeing any issues. Maybe eventually I'll buy another mic. At least be gentle. That's the first time you've ever said that to me. It's been whack randomly? Seriously? Like randomly during the stream? Ugh. I don't want to have to rewatch this crap. It's crackly when you move it. Maybe. Like, I don't know if your chase went off. Yeah. Can someone else confirm that it's crackly when I move it? Like, do I need to buy a new mic? Maybe it's just the cable. Great comeback. Yeah, sure was. You might not make the playoffs, Ricky. Guys, keep me updated on this mic situation, please. Is it really crackly when I move it? Ugh, F you guys. It's the cable, you think? Is that wave? Ooh, don't you double charge me. I do hear it. Don't hear it crackling even when, oh. I can only chat at stoplights. Yeah, don't be texting and driving. Oh, don't you double charge me. God dang it, bro. Oh, don't you double charge me. God dang it, bro. Oh, don't you double charge me. Millions of visitors. Oh. Crackling. Maybe it was just you. Maybe your internet was bad. Anyone else out there? Ricky? It's fine. No. You know I'm a perfectionist. You know I have OCD. I guess we're at ramble time. Your Bitcoin Jason in the house. A microphone check, microphone. Oh yeah, that's just. It looks fine to me, bro. It might have been your. That's not really. That's internet just connection out there in West Texas. Don't rough with the mic. Fuck you. Oh, you made me say the F word. Don't tell me what to do. Got me fired up. I'm not gonna touch it, bro. Like, that's never gonna change. I'm always gonna be adjusting the mic. Yeah, the mic's fine, but it looks fine. I'm not seeing any issues. That's probably just. Yeah, that is. Maybe eventually I'll buy another mic. At least be gentle. That's the first time you've ever said that to me. All right. It's been microphone check. Microphone check. Microphone check. Testing. Microphone check. Maybe eventually I'll buy another mic. 5x5 channel. That's the first time you've ever said that to me. Wait. What are we doing here? Oh, it's in double. All right. It's been microphone check. Microphone check. Testing. Yeah, it's fine when I'm gentle. Testing. Microphone check. Eventually we might have to replace this bitch. Maybe eventually I'll buy a 5x5. I know that term. I say that a lot at work. People don't get it. Most people, I'm not even military. I just know what it is. It's embarrassing why I know what 5x5 means. I don't know that I want to tell you, Andrew. You might think less of me if I tell you. I know you know what it means because you probably know what it means because you're ex-military. I know what it means because they used to say it in Buffy the Vampire Slayer, and I had to look it up. But I'll say that in like, are we 5x5? Like after I troubleshoot a wireless network or something, they're like, huh? Oh my goodness. All right. Should I give myself a like? 5 likes? That's some low dick energy this morning. A lot of low. I mean, there's 7 people in the house. All things considered, it's not bad. Bitcoin flushing down again a little bit. Ethereum flushing down a little bit. Now I'm scared to touch the mic. I need to probably just get one of those. There's condenser and there's dynamic. The one where you don't have to have it close to your mouth. All right, Cardano 98 cents. A little bit of a flush down happening right now. Check my Rust Twitch drops. Ugh. Need to keep the screen up or something. Yep, that was my bad. All right, what's happening in the stock market? Coinbase, still a little bit green. Ethereum down $80. Alts took the brunt. Yeah. If you weren't late, we already discussed that. There's deals out there. Yep. I agree. I was hoping to maybe pick up some clear pool or whatever this thing's called. Sea pool. But nope. Shardy B won't shut up, so it just continues to go up. ICP now below 12. And we got a little bit of a push down right now. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a flushy flush. Let's take a look at the minute. It doesn't look that bad. Tesla over 400. Where's JT? Beating off. Beating off to the Tesla chart. Sorry for the mukbang, but the mic picked that up. Someone at Wells Fargo is calling for $125 Tesla, and Invest Answers thinks he's an idiot. Well, I got news for you, Invest Answers. We have a depression or another major pullback in the stock market in 2025. Tesla could very easily go to 125. I'm retired from my 9-to-5 cubicle forever. At 34, no savings, trust fund, no selling drugs, no mentors. What a beautiful morning. Tesla BTC. Like, what's so great about BTC? Coin should be 700 right now. Someone's packing the bowl extra tight this morning. Packing it down pretty hard. What did this guy? What did this Chuck Mangione have to say? I wish Tesla was 700. Ooh.
Hello, Mumsy. How are you doing?
Jake, go back. Change. No green jacket, no hood. This is serious now.
A lot of people have been DMing me, messaging me. You have to go back and change. This is not funny. Are you listening to me? This is not a funny situation. Please listen to me. Jake. Oh my God.
What?
What don't you understand?
Oh my God.
It's
Let
a
him live.
crime. You need to go home and change. Do you
The
want
person that it was done to did a
Jake,
lot worse,
I
okay?
have 2
To
jackets.
the entire country.
I'm not negating
To the
that.
entire country.
I agree with you. However, there are 2 jackets in the back. Put one of them on. Jake, I'm going to not go where you want to go. I'm not driving you. Put the jacket on in the back now. Take that jacket off.
You know what? What do you have against
the
hoods?
jacket off.
What do you have against hoods?
Jake?
There's only one type of hood I don't like, and it's a white one.
Okay, so my gator is going off big time. Is his name Jake? Where did we discuss this? Oh, hello. Where did them titties go? Under communism, yeah. No stream today. All right. Is his name Jake? Lukey? Who is this? What is this? Because this looks like, oh, wait. Why is
Hello, Mumsy. How are you doing? Jake, go back. Change. No green jacket, no hood. This is serious now.
this is England or somewhere like that, right? Free Luigi. Yeah, he does look like James Franco. Or even what's James Franco's brother's name? New Jersey. That is not New Jersey, bro. He's from New Jersey, but this is in England. Listen to her voice, you artard. And look at the steering wheel.
Hello, Mumsy. How are you doing? Jake, go back. Change. No green jacket.
Fool. Does that look like the United States? Does she sound like she's from the United States? Fool.
Jacket, no hood. This is serious now. A lot of people have been DMing me, messaging me. You have to go back and change. This is not funny. Are you listening to me? This is not a funny situation.
She doesn't have a thick accent, but it's definitely... Or maybe they were just traveling. This is when they were vacationing or something. It's a New Jersey thing. What's a New Jersey thing? It's a New Jersey thing. It's a New Jersey thing to get cars from England? Excuse me. I mean, that's news to me. I'm not saying it's not true, but that's news to me. And it's a New Jersey thing to talk like you're British. Because she didn't sound like full-on British. Just a little bit. Maybe she's trying. Shooter probably already getting... Yeah, probably. I'm surprised you're not on some conspiracy theory that this is a setup. He's intellectually gifted.
In this town. Nowhere. I mean, that's why you're stuck wearing garbage like that, right? And the woman that works the hair salon, Julia, have you seen how big that bitch's ears are?
Oh, Julia's a friend
What are we doing here besides getting me a copyright strike?
of mine, yeah.
Ears out to here. So I tell her, you got big ears, sweetie. You'd probably sell your muff for $6! You fucking psycho bitch!
I will say she does sound a... Why is that showing up here but not here? Oh, there it is. It wasn't a high IQ assassination. I mean, considering... Yeah, no, I agree. She does sound a little bit like she's from New Jersey. But she's also doing a British.
Hello, Mumsy. How are you doing?
So is
Jake,
he.
go back. Change. No green jacket, no hood. This is serious now. A lot of people have been DMing me,
No, she doesn't sound New Jersey there.
messaging me. You have to go back and change.
I can't really quite place it. More like Ohio, Pennsylvania.
This is not funny. Are you listening to me? This is not a funny situation. Please listen to me. Jake. Oh my God.
What?
What do
That sounded a little New Jersey.
you understand?
Oh my God!
It's
Let
a
him
federal
live.
crime. You need to go home and change. Do you
The
wanna wear-
person that
I
it was
have-
done to did
Jake,
a lot worse.
I have
Okay,
2
to
jackets.
the entire country.
I'm not negating
to the
that.
entire
I
country.
agree with you. However, there are 2 jackets in the back. Put one of them on. Jake, I'm gonna not go where you want to go. I'm not driving you. Put the jacket on in the back now. Take that jacket off.
You know what?
Take
What do you have against
the
hoods?
jacket off.
What
Cask in the house. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's also
against
possible.
Jake?
There's only one type of hood I don't like, and it's a white one. Hello, Mumsy. How are you doing?
It's also possible that the camera is just flipped, and that's why it looks like it's on that side, but it might not be. No, because her... Yeah, I don't know. That shit gets freaky when they flip the camera. All right, check the Discord. Check random in Discord. Oh my goodness, bro. Sometimes you scare me. You sent this earlier. Like, what's going on? You've already sent this once. Is this, like, what's going on here? Is this supposed to be like a bomb jacket? We'll kill for Bitcoin. Do not try and rob Andrew. I suspect he might have gold and cash on site, but it's probably booby trapped. Oh, KuCoin. I just got a message from KuCoin. According to regulations, users who have not updated through www.us-kucoin.com today will not be able to use. Oh, I better address that. I better log in to this link. I better click on this link and fix my KuCoin account. My kids thinks it's funny. That's not concerning. Have you watched the new Kelsey? No. I don't really think. You mean because Mama Kelsey's in it? Velez was here last week. I don't think he was here yesterday. He's like you. He's moved on to Crypto Angler. No, I haven't watched the movie. I would watch it. It looks... if I'm in a cheesy, it's like one of those, if you're in bed sick, watch type of situations. I don't know that I'd go out of my way. I like a good sappy Christmas movie, but whatever. If I never see it, it's whatever. You seen it? Optimus can now walk on highly variable ground using neural nets to control. Yeah, it's not scary at all, the thought of quantum computing merging with AI, merging with robots. You want to know what's going to end the human race? Because I can tell you. If an asteroid doesn't hit us first, it's going to be Skynet. Bitcoin, Charles Hoskinson, our fearless Lord and Savior Charles Hoskinson has spoken. Bitcoin's DeFi is a mission, blah, blah, blah. Looks gay AF. Yeah, they're bringing gay and Artard back. Cardi B coin will end the human race. She has a coin. Better be careful. She's high up in the crypts. Have a little Alamo situation going on at the Andrew Brown Ranch. See that bonus Swifty gave to her crew? Well, no, I didn't. Bitcoin TR combo in 1 hour. Whatever. This is what fentanyl is.
What in the hell? What in the heaven? What in the world, man? I ain't never in my life seen nothing like this, man, until a few days ago, man. Y'all can do this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Just take a hit. What they say, take a dab and welcome to Federal Land.
100. What does that even mean? She gave 190. You got a link or something? Yeah, fentanyl is no joke. How big's her crew? Taylor Swift gave staff 197 from 2 billion Eras tour. I feel like this is manipulated numbers. Let's see. Yeah, 197 million in bonuses to everyone that's worked on the tour. Truck divers, caterers, techs. Yeah. I mean, it was a big ass tour. A lot of people. So I feel like this number just kind of manipulated to sound amazing. I mean, it's still pretty cool, but you should have paid him in Bitcoin. Counting calories sucks. Should the Cardano DAO own real estate? Oh, shut up. You didn't paper hand your ADA meme coin, did you? No. Bitch. Snack still at 0.006. How's Sugar doing? Sugar. Nike 0.006. Chad 16 million market cap. Where's Sugar? Sugar is falling down a bit, 7.8. She only did that because of unlimited healthcare scared the shit out of her. Oh, United Healthcare? Nah. Ugh. All right, Shardy B's worried. 96.5 on Bitcoin. We're dumping. Another test. They're pushing it down again. Should you be worried? Nah. We'll get this little dump out of the way. Scare the bitch hands out. And onwards and upwards. Or maybe the bull market's over. When it's over. Poll time. Are you panicked? It's below the 20. That's not good. Can be a better buying opportunity coming up. Cardano could go all the way down to like 72 just to hit the 50. Volume, so it went up on low volume for the most part. Looking at Cardano, Bitcoin has had quite a bit of volume. Bitcoin dominance still looking bullish. Oh, one person thinks it's over. Probably Ricky being a dick. Yeah, this was crazy. I didn't really watch the game last night, but if T. Higgins scored like 15 points, it would have knocked me out of the playoffs in the work league. Let's go, Jimmy. They got earnings after the bell. We already discussed it. This block punt was crazy because they blocked the punt, ended up giving Cincinnati the ball back. They blocked the punt with like 2 minutes to go, and they would have had the ball and probably won the game. They blocked it. It went forward or past the line of scrimmage. A Dallas player touched it. Cincinnati recovered it. So they get the ball back, first down, after a block punt. And then they end up scoring a touchdown and win the game. Yeah, the ball was already touched by the Cowboys who blocked it. But the second, because it was beyond the line of scrimmage. Yeah, the change of possession becomes official when the ball crosses the line of scrimmage. You are a moron. Gotta love Twitter. Kay Adams. Kay Adams is so damn fine. Netflix is adding Kay Adams, Mina Kimes to its Christmas Day broadcast. Marry me, Kay. I don't see a ring on that finger. What is she holding in her hand? Anyone still here? The level of quantum computing skepticism today reminds me of the average person who spends 10 minutes researching Bitcoin and then dismisses it as valueless. Quantum computing is real. It will change the world massively. I agree, but it could take decades. Quantum computing will break Bitcoin if we don't upgrade it, of course. As few as 2,500 logical qubits. I don't know what the difference is between a logical qubit and a physical qubit. I know what the difference is between a virtual CPU, logical CPU and a physical. A lot of fear about this Willow cheap. Could change. Yeah, we discussed it earlier, but again, because you were late. Physical qubits are the actual quantum bits used in quantum computing, are constructed from multiple physical qubits to form a more robust and error-resistant. This is known as quantum, are constructed from multiple physical. So it's kind of the opposite. Multiple physical to create one logical. If you imagine a classical bit, yeah, this isn't simple. And I gotta pee. Medical solutions. I'm looking for mail order brides from conflict zone. Buy the news, you can get them at a discount. Wow. That is a interesting thought process.
Had a very shiny.
The Monopoly money was so. Jason, oh, Ricky. I was going to say Jason's just all over the board. Gonna hack the beat. Nope, I already said it's nowhere close. But you were late. You weren't here for the conversation. It's going to take 1 million qubits to break Bitcoin. Million to millions. And Willow's at 105. This guy loses his job.
Chase took care of the rest. Bengals after the touch by.
Oh, he was involved in both.
Warrior. Had he not touched it, it would have been Cowboys ball, but he did. And then Joe Burrow and Jamar Chase.
That the same dude?
And then Joe Burrow and Jamar Chase.
26. I thought it was 20. Yeah, it was 27 here.
Cowboys ball, but he did. And then Joe Burrow and Jamar
26
Chase took care of the rest.
It's two different dudes, bro. Two different dudes, bro. It is that your it was all crackly during that conversation. It was out for 20 minutes. Which actor would you like to play the next? Yeah, let's go woke with James Bond. I mean, he would make a good James Bond if we're being honest, I guess. Chills. How's Pepe doing? Bitcoin now below 96. 8 at 95. Pepe, I mean, it's not too bad. Indeed. Idris would make a good. Did the Tesla get stuck and that made your day? Now, everyone that was left hates Elon now because this Wu-Tang is super left. This Wu-Tang is for the children is irrationally left.
I'll call Elon. He'll get you out.
Okay, cool. NFL vibe check. Vibes, wins. I don't know. Bears? Why the... Oh, by week? No, but I don't... Weird chart, bro. I'm 47. Couldn't dunk at 25. But he can at 47. I have dreams sometimes that I can dunk. It was always my goal in life to be able to dunk. I could on a 9 foot, never could on a 10. Now my vertical's 0 inches. We're about to pump. Okay. I think you got that one wrong, bro. Because we are dumping. All right, boys and girls, time to get to work. Ugh. My throat hurts. Should I call in sick? That should have been the poll question. 3 measly votes. Merry Christmas. Oh my goodness, bro. I know who I'm calling when I need security detail. Watch the moon phase. In a suit? You're in a suit? Oh yeah, nice suit. You got too much time on your hands, bro. And why are you going to kill for Bitcoin? Shouldn't want to kill. We'll kill to protect my Bitcoin. Solana, how's Solana doing? I was told Solana wasn't dipping that bad. Looks pretty ugly to me. They're at the 50. Solana can be a good pickup, I guess. I mean, I'm not buying it. It is carnage right now. It's already one of the biggest liquidation events ever. It's continuing to happen. A lot of downward pressure, a lot of downward dog. All right, boys and girls. Yeah. Everyone's complaining about our right tackle moving early. Let's see. I mean, that didn't really look like... Like, that one didn't look as early as what Jawan does, to be honest. Oh, we're looking at the right. Oh, yeah. Yep, he's moving. He's moving early. It was either kill for Bitcoin or sexual favors for Bitcoin. Your sign was too... That works. You just have to write smaller.
Locker room.
That's interesting. You could have thrown a Hail Mary, right?
That's what I thought.
I want him back. All right, guys, boys and girls. I got to get to work. Have a great day. Catch you tomorrow. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. Smoochies. Ugh, did I really...